Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fix a chair. So join me. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Yes, so here's another one. Now I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. So this is my tools, you can see. So first let me take the box away. So this is it. See, now I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. But first I have to take my paper to read. Okay, so this is how to fix it. So okay, this one. Two. First, I need this one first. I have to remove all the papers, all the covers from it. So you can see. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share. So all the cover from it. It's a lot there, and I'm still so we're still finished. You can just put this one here, this one there, this one this side, this one also here. So when you guys finish, just put all the stuff inside the box there. This one, you're supposed to remove all of this. Okay, and cute, and put all of this inside the box. Yeah, inside the box. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. When you guys finish, you can remove all of this one inside the box. Yeah, just put it inside the box. Okay. Okay. So now wait there. I think it's going to be this side. Yeah, so first I have to fix this first. But first let me check this one first. Okay, like this. Right there. Yes, okay, so it's like this. Wait there. I have to check again because I'm not that sure. sure? Yeah. Okay, it's like this. So I have to take this one. So is this side? I'm guessing. Yes. Doing it correct. And then this one also. This side. Okay. And this is my cameraman. My cameraman is put now. You can see. So I'm fixing the chair. This one also. You guys, it's not that difficult. See the correct one. Yes. Voila. And then I think I have lost one of the tools. I have lost one of the two. I need one of this one because I cannot find another. I cannot find. So let's see. I'll put this one. Move the knife there. On the table. Thank you. So nice. So nice. Okay, so now I'm on it, guys. You can see that's my camera woman. Shout out to my camera woman. Camera woman is doing a good job. She's doing a good job, my camera woman. Guys, please subscribe to this channel. Guys, so guys, this is it. I just finished.